Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do the island twist or the twist with curls. It's got different names, but let's get into the video. I'm using Marley hair or any afro kinky hair that you've got, and I'm starting off by braiding the root with the Marley hair. I found out that if you twist it, if you're not a really good twister and you twist from the root, the root will not be tight and the hair will just fall out. So if you're not confident, start with a braid. So I'm gonna braid down 4 or 5 times before I start twisting. What I'll do is I'll feed in the curls as I'm twisting down, and literally that's it. So braid down as many times as you want or as many times you're comfortable with, and then feed in the curls. A major tip for this hair to avoid tangling is to not borrow hair. Do not borrow hair once you start twisting. Make sure that before you start twisting, the hair that you're twisting with is enough and you're comfortable with. What I mean by not borrowing hair is that, for instance, as I'm twisting now from the video, I won't just grab one from another side. So to avoid that, split the hair equally so you don't have to borrow. And after that, you apply your mousse. So there's no hot water needed for this style. It's very flexible when it's done. It's not stiff. So I'm not sure if it's the hair that I use, but I didn't encounter any stiffness after it. So I just used mousse all over the hair and then blow dried it, and the hair was good to go. A quick tip to prevent tangling is to use the Got To Be glue. I find that it keeps the curls intact and it reduces any frizz on the curls. So yeah, if you've got some Got To Be glue, use that on the curls to prevent any tangling. But yeah, this is just a quick tutorial. Please like this video and share so other people can find it. What I find is I'm getting the views, but I'm not getting the likes. So please like and also subscribe to the channel. Check out my previous videos as well. So I've got loads of tutorials on my channel. So if you want to learn how to do hair, or if you're a beginner, or you just want some braid inspirations, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.